Today, we're making perfectly crispy bacon in just 5 minutes. For this recipe, you'll need fresh bacon slices of your choice. Place the bacon slices in a cold pan without adding any oil. Cook the bacon over medium heat, turning occasionally until it becomes golden brown and crispy. Transfer the fried bacon to an oven-safe tray. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes to achieve extra crispiness. Enjoy your perfectly crispy bacon, ready to complement any meal. If this trick made your breakfast better, hit like and subscribe for more quick kitchen hacks. Drop a comment with your favorite way to serve bacon. Let's share the sizzle.